Hi, my name is Pawan and I'm from the team Code Warriors. For our team hackathon, we have deployed our portal on the Heroku. The URL can be seen here. This is our landing page, and from the landing page you can choose to join now or sign in. And once you sign in, you can choose your order from the menu, and you can see there are multiple options available. You can select the quantity, milk and sizes from here, and you can choose either add to cart or directly place the order from here. Once you add to the cart, your items can be seen into the cart, and you can choose to delete an item from the cart, or you can place the order using the button checkout. Once your order is placed, you can see your order from the in the order history. You can update, pay or delete your options from here. So on the deletion, your order can be deleted, and you can also choose to pay your order from here. So based on the selection of your store that is selected here, the appropriate tenant would be selected and your API would be routed using the Kong API. For the implementation, we have choose HTML5 and Bootstrap, and to making the Kong API call, we are using the AngularJS. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ashra, and for this project, I've created the homepage in the Starbucks portal. I've also created the cart using HTML and Bootstrap. I've also designed the AngularJS part to call the Kong API. Then I've created a tenant API backend. For this, I've created a Mongo 3-node cluster. The first instance here contains the node code. Now we've defined the hostname for each instance, connecting to Mongo. We can see that this is the primary instance. Here we have the three instances, 1, 2 and 3. Now this is the primary instance. Here these two are the secondary instances, and we've connected them here. Mongo 1, which is the secondary instance, and Mongo 2, which is also the secondary instance. Okay, so I've used Node.js for the implementation of the API. The API is based on the CRUD RESTBux design. Now these are the list of URIs that I've implemented, and here is the implementation of these URIs. This shows my URIs and its functionalities. I have in total 6 URIs. That's my part in this project. Thank you.
My name is Chen. What I did for this project are three main things. The first is that I write the login sign-up pages for the Starbucks portal using HTML. The second thing is I finished one of the REST API backend implemented in Java, RESTlet, and MongoDB. The third thing is I set up 3-node MongoDB cluster on Amazon Web Service. The backend is based on the Starbucks version 3 provided by the professor. The API is modified to persist to Mongo database. The DNS name and port number is listed here, and all the APIs are also listed here. I set up 3-node MongoDB cluster on Amazon Web Service. One node serves as the primary node, which is the Mongo 0 here, and where the write operations are performed. Other nodes serve as the secondary node, where the read operations are performed. The data are replicated in both the nodes. This makes the backend more scalable and reliable. The third node serves as the arbitrator and converts the secondary node to primary node when the primary node is down.
My name is Kelly Alvarez Aguirre, and this is for the project of Compy 2A1 for the Team Hackathon. This is my contribution that I've made for the product. My contribution was the menu, which was the HTML and some of the styling for it. In the menu, we will have all the products that the Starbucks will be offering. And then you also have a list of all the products, and you can select the product and go to different sections. And also so you can have like different categories so you can look for the product. Then I implemented one REST API backend. I use PHP using a Slim framework, which is a very lightweight framework, because I didn't want to overheat my instance. So for my NoSQL, I've used MongoDB. So for the REST API, this is my DNS name, so you can access my API through this. And also I have these 5 methods for my API. So the first method is the place order, which will be it has post and it will return my order ID, and then will also the pay API, which can submit the order, and then also the get orders API, which will get all the orders that are stored in my database, and delete order API, and also update order API, which is the last one is put, and the delete order API, it's a delete. So then I'm going to go through a little bit of my code. So for the one in the left, it's to get each order by ID. So as you can see, I'm using Slimed, so I will get the instance through that. And then I will look for the ID in my Mongo database and return a JSON with all the data that I've got. In the next one on my right, I have a post order, which means that it will get all information from that order, and it will store it in the database, and it will return an ID, also in JSON coding. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Pawan, and for our project in the portal, I have created the order history page. And for the development, I have used HTML5 and Bootstrap, and I have used AngularJS to route my calls to the Kong API. I have also integrated all the pages into the portal. Moving on to my Cassandra cluster and Kong, I have created my Cassandra cluster in the Oregon region. These are my 3 instances that are running. On the main Cassandra instance, I have installed Kong also. As you can see, my Cassandra is running on the main. Now moving on to the main server, let me SQLize into the main server, and in the Kong database I have used the select star from APIs to show all my APIs that I have created, and I have done the same thing for the different servers. So my Cassandra replica set is working correctly. As you can see, let me show you into the dashboard. So as you can see, based on the URIs and method, appropriate upstream URL will be selected. So for the San Jose store, I have used the URI SJ, SF and SC respectively, and you can see that my upstream URL is for the different for the each tenant, so it would be redirect to the particular tenant. You can also see the list of APIs by using the cat request on the port 8001/APIs. As you can see, there are all 6 requests available for 3 tenants, that total 6. Thank you.